If you want to change the alarm sound on your Samsung phone, so first of all, locate your clock application, maybe on your home screen, maybe on your app drawer. You just locate it. It's pre-installed, so you'll always have it. Open up your clock. Now here, make sure to choose an alarm tab right here at the bottom. So here are your alarms. You can create a new one, or you can change the sound of an already existing one, and that's what I'm about to do. So choose your alarm. Here you'll immediately see your alarm sound section. Make sure that you have that section turned on. Now tap on it, and here you'll see this slider. So to make the sound less hearable, swipe it to the left. To make it louder, swipe it to the right. Right, easy as that. So when you're satisfied with the result, simply press go back. You'll be back to your main alarm menu. And basically that's it. Also, if your phone is new enough, right, you can check in additional settings such feature as a gradual volume increase or the option to announce the time and alarm name. You can enable this. My model don't have this option. However, you can search for it in your alarm tab. So, to save the whole process, we need to press the save button right here at the bottom. And basically, that's it. Now our alarm is set and it will sound quite loud. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.